Hello friends, today's topic lost 15 lakhs in options. What shall I do now? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As you all know, we often conduct question answer sessions and whatever questions that are asked on the spot are left out. Rest of the good questions are picked up and answered so that large number of people will benefit. In one of our sessions, there was a question, I lost 15 lakhs in option, what shall I do? Our observation and comments are as follows. Number one, at least after losing a large amount of 12 lakhs, you realized that options trading is risky and mistake. 2. Better for you to start an SIP for long term. Select good funds, stocks and invest regularly and monitor them. 3. The probability of success in long-term investing is much higher when compared to short-term trading, FNO or intra-trading. 4. When main thing in long-term investing is to be able to select a good mutual funds or stocks, learn how to monitor them and have the discipline and patience. 5. Although long-term investing looks easy, most people find it difficult to do so. People who are mature will naturally get attracted to long-term investing and others will make mistakes and then become mature in life. The next question in our episode is, I have 4 lakhs lump sum investment. If I have invested now in stocks and mutual funds, when will it become around 1 crore? Observation and comments. Number 1. The answer to this question will vary based on the percentage returns received. Number 2. Depending on the percentage returns of 12, 14 or 15 per annum average, the following is the number of years it may take to grow to 1 crore. Time taken to reach corpus of 1 crore. At 12%, it may take 28.5 years. At 14%, it may take 24.5 years. At 15%, it may take 23.2 years. 3. If along with a lump sum investment of 4 lakhs, if you can invest an amount every month, then the corpus of 1 crore will be reached in lesser number of years. 4. Please note that the value of rupees 1 crore will be much lesser in the future due to inflation. So better to invest more so that whatever corpus we create is quite good even after the negative effects of inflation. The next question is, I have some small micro cap stocks which are more than 65% down now. They don't seem to be fundamentally strong. Shall I sell and invest in large cap stocks or shall I wait for recovery? 1. Usually, most people don't have the risk appetite to invest in small and micro cap stocks. They tend to be very volatile. Number 2. Since you say that they are not fundamentally strong also, we cannot be sure when and if they will recover to your cost price. 3. Unless it's a very big loss that you will have to book when selling, it may be better to sell since you may be in doubt on whether these stocks will recover. On the other hand, you may have more confidence that some large cap stocks will recover faster when overall markets recover. 4. You may need to review your overall approach to investing in stocks, improve your knowledge to do better in future. Here is another very useful question. Sir, you're always talking about long-term investing. Are we not supposed to send some percentage of our income for vacation and car and bike and mobile etc.? What's the point of having a lot of money at the age of 60? Our observation and comments are as follows. Number 1. If you have watched our videos carefully, we also suggest to save around 30 to 40% of your after-tax income. The remaining money will get spent for living expenses, EMIs, entertainment, and other personal expenses. 2. Around 60 to 70% of income is more than sufficient for vacation and other expenses to enjoy today. Only 30% of your savings is being invested for future enjoyment. 3. Unfortunately, many people don't watch our videos carefully and also assume many things and hence misinterpret financial matters. 4. If you are a smart person, you must think deeply about your finances and decide what is the percentage of your money you want to spend today. Each person will have their own thinking and what actions they take will determine the financial comfort in the future. The last question of today's episode is, I invested all my money in the last few months. Right now I don't have money. My portfolio is down by 21% from investment amount. What can I do for further investment? I want to invest since stock prices are still low. Our observation and comments. 1. For long-term investors, it is always a good time to invest if you have a horizon of 10 years plus. Since market is still trading lower than recent high, stocks are available at lower prices. 2. However, invest only the money which you have and don't require for the next few years, such as 5-10 years. 3. Don't take loan and pledge your shares and invest such money in stock market. In case there is further market weakness, then the value of shares purchased with loan will fall, as well as you will need to repay the loan with interest. 4. When markets are falling, if you don't have much money to invest, then just hold the good stocks for long term. End of the video, here's the question. Do you think it is a good idea to pledge existing shares and invest in stocks again? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.